What's up? You have the Knicks in this, right? We had a green RJ in the cello again yesterday. Hopefully we see some RJ tonight. What teams are in the filler? It's the Pelicans, Pistons, Wizards, Warriors, Rockets, Pacers, Clippers, Bucks, Timberwolves, Magic, and Sixers. So it's 20 spots, top 11 draft. Top spot gets the Pelicans. Speaking of the filler, let's get into that now. Guy auto, yeah, we'll do the guessy auto in a second. So we got 20 spots. Those are the teams available. Roll a die 4 or above. 12. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Dice said 12. 12th and final. Top spot gets the Pelicans. Alex Hoops. Congrats. Sorry to everyone who missed out. Congrats to Alex. He's a new guy too. Alex, you got first pick. I'm assuming you're going to choose the Pelicans if you're in here. But just comment it anyways, just so I know. But I'm going to put you down anyway. Yep, Pelicans. Okay, Ant, you're up next if you're in here. We just give them best available, Nick, to make it fair. But I'm pretty sure Bonilla's boys with him. So Bonilla, if he's not here, would he want you to choose the team for you or us choose it? Because I know you said you guys are boys, so let me know. Wiz, okay. We'll give him the Wizards. Next up is Alex. Oh, we hit 1 and 3. That's huge. Alex, you're up again, buddy. Few solid teams still left. You still here, Alex? Warriors, got you. ACOG, you're up. I think he's just hopping in right now, Ethan. I just DM'd him. I think Max forgot to put him in the group chat. Give him a minute, and then Ant's up again. It's all good, Ethan. Yeah, I think Max forgot to add you to the group chat, so yeah, it's your pick. The available teams are on the right. '76ers, got you. Ant is up again. I don't know if he's in here. Bonilla, you can choose from him if you want again. Bucks, okay. Bonilla, now you're up with your own pick. Probably Clippers or Pistons. Pistons, okay. Athlete, you're up. Then John. Clippers. John, you're up. And then Nick. And Willie, then Nick. Wolves. Nick, you're up. Pacers. Will, you're up. And then Nick, you get the remaining team. Rockets, okay. Nick, you got the Magic. Congrats, everyone. I'm just going to take a screenshot of this real quick. Then we'll get into this. Okay, let's get into this, guys. We're going to go pack by pack. Zion in this box. Bonilla said he called there would be 2 Zions in this box. So, for Alex's sake, let's hope. Empty. Before we get into this, guys, guess the auto for 5 in credit. And any Zion or Jock color will trigger 5 in credit for someone in the break. I'll let your guesses come in, then we'll get into this. Goga, Samanic. No one guessed Kyle Guy before. Rick Maham. Pascal. Carson Edwards. Okay, let's get into this. Good luck, everyone. Okay, Derek Favors, Jalen McDaniels for the Hornets, David Robinson Silver for the Spurs, and Shaquille O'Neal for the Lakers. It's all good, Ant. Bonilla picked the teams for you, so hope that's not a big deal. Madden franchise, yeah. Okay, Fournier. Rui for the Wizards. Who has the Wizards? That's Ant from the filler. Perfect timing, buddy. Congrats. Dominance of Cat. And a Kevin Herter. Derek Jones Jr. for the Heat. Austin River for the Rockets. Jackson Hayes Instant Impact. Wrong Pelican. And Blake Griffin. Kelly Oubre. Dylan Windler for the Cavs. Bojan Bogdanovic Green for the Jazz. And Joe Harris base. Rocco. Grizzlies Jay Crowder. PJ Tucker Silver for the Rockets. And Yao Ming. We got a red wave. Montrezl Harrell. Hawks, DeAndre Hunter. Red Wave, Trailblazers, B. Lillard, Kent Bazemore. And for the Bulls, Wendell Carter. Westbrook. That card is so off-centered. If you can see his outline there, his whole body's to the left so much. That's crazy. Kyrie. Sekou instant impact for the Pistons. And Denzel Valentine. Let's go. Let's heat up. Lonnie Walker. KD. Kings, Marvin Bagley, Green Wave. And Grant Hill. We got a silver. Yeah, I don't know. Hopefully the rookies are in this pile because they're not popping out right now. Troy Brown Jr. Ty Jerome. Silver. Clippers. It's a rookie. It's Terrence Mann. Terribly centered too. His head is just so below that outline. The stamping is awful on this card. And Dwight Powell. Silver rookie, but centering's awful. Who has the Clippers? That's Athlete. This pack feels a little thick. I think it's the auto pack, that's why. Let's go, be a good auto. What do we got? Bruno Fernando for the Hawks. At least it's a rookie auto. Oh, card behind it's pretty nice. There you go, Hawks. We got rookie color next. For the Blazers, Nasir Little, Red Wave. There you go, Marcus. Honestly, I just want to see a pink. The 42. We've yet to pull one here. Serge. Isaiah Roby for the Mavs. Hakeem Olajuwon, NBA finalist. And Reggie Jackson. The rookie placement always changes in these packs. Sometimes it's the first card, sometimes it's the last card. This time it's the second. So bipolar. Lillard, we ship. Huge game last night for him. His rookie Prizm has been skyrocketing. I know Bonilla picked up a few. Anyone else? Lillard. Josh Hart. RJ Emergent for the Knicks and Nolan. And Mike Scott. We got a green. DeRozan. Terrence Mann for the Clippers. Rookie, not a rookie. Blazers. Clyde Drexler for the Blazers. And Kristaps. We'll ship it. No, there's been no Luka yet. We got the second pile. We need this to heat up. Let's see some triggers. Let's see Bone. Let's see Edwards. Let's see Thibault. Mo Bamba. Pelicans. Jackson Hayes, the wrong Pelican. Zaire Smith Silver for the Sixers. And Vince Carter. Guys, with the regular season, quote unquote, of the bubble coming to the end, who do you guys have winning the championship? I'm still sticking with the Lakers. But they're going to have a tough first round if they have to play the Blazers. Kawhi. Another tough opponent for LeBron and the Lakers. Celtics, Enes Kanter. We got a red. Is it a rookie? No. Warriors, B. Curry. Willie Cauley-Stein. And Josh Jackson behind him. Clippers, Bucks. You think the Bucks, Nolan? You guys see Giannis' headbutt yesterday? It's like the first time I see Giannis like act out. Let's go. Let's heat up. Harden. He had a good game today. Nasir Little base. Chuma Emergent for the Magic. And Dinwiddie. We got dominance. Jeff Teague. Nick Claxton for the Nets. Who has the Nets? That's Avery. Dominance of De'Aaron Fox. NAI. We need to heat up. Let us see a Zion or Ja. Gallinari. RJ for the Knicks. And Nolan. We have a silver behind him. Nothing good so you guys can see it. Silver of Marc Gasol. And Otto Porter. There you go, Nolan. Come on, be the start. Be the start. Alonzo Trier. Wizards, Isaiah Thomas. Rui Instant Impact for the Wizards. And Ray Allen. 5 packs left. Show us the triggers. John Wall. Klay Thompson. Kobe White Emergent. And Clyde Drexler. Come on. Show us something. Even a LeBron base at this point. DeJounte Murray. Celtics, Grant Williams. Wrong Celtic. We want Carson to trigger Zion. Get hyped of Steph. And Justin Jackson. Three packs left. Thomas Bryant. JaVale McGee. Lonzo Ball Silver. And Dwayne Dedmon. If only that silver was Zion. 2 packs left. Got a rookie. Marc Gasol. The Nuggets. P. Bobo. Bobo! And a Ja instant impact behind it. Oh, that was the best pack so far. Ship Gasol, please, silver. Yeah, we shipped the silver Gasol. We ship everything but non-star vet base. So like Langston Galloway, we won't ship. You want the base Gasol too? Playa? Who has the Nuggets in this? Rob, there you go, Rob. No Luka, except if unless he's in that next pack. But at least you got Bobo. At least we got one of them, even though it's an insert. That was definitely the best pack. Last pack. Let's go. Is there a rookie? No. A silver? No. It's a silver. Get hype. PJ Tucker. Lonzo Ball. Silver get hype of Harden. And the last card. Yeah, I'm not even trying to pronounce his name. Rodines Kirkus for the Nets. That's the break. Definitely not the best one box of this. Yeah, not a good box. That's why the price of this box should not be where it is at $750. For that one reason. Yeah, you should see the look on my dad's eyes when I said the price of that box. For that, yeah, that box was awful. We have one more box of it. We also have this posted. This fills and starts filling up. We'll post a filler and maybe it'll go late tonight, and I'll open it. Yeah, Playa, we have your address. If we've ever shipped you before, we have your address saved. If we haven't, just send us a DM privately. Let's show a little recap of the very meh break. Silver, get hyped of Harden. Ja, instant impact. Bobo, solid card. That's probably a 10, honestly. Perfect centering, perfect stamping. That's a great card. RJ, also centering and stamping. Well, Bruno Fernando auto. Nasir Little, red wave. Terrence Mann, awful stamping silver. It's terrible. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at the rookie card in his head. It's just so off the outline. It's insane. DeAndre Hunter and Rui. That's a 10 too. It should be. Yeah. Yeah, thank you guys for joining in. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned on the Instagram for future breaks. We got the Chronicles. We'll probably post either another cello, maybe some optic choice, and another of this. If you guys want in, just comment right away because some teams fly. Other than that, no Thibault, Ethan. No. I wish there was a Thibault because then there would have been a Zion. Other than that, guys, have a good night. See you next time.